question, sir. We are talking about Teherao, you know. Just kisi se bhi we've talked about this trailer. Once we were done watching the trailer, we were like, huh, kuch sochne pe majboor karti hai. We could feel it. So emotionally, was it challenging for you?
Of course, but I think all movies should be, regardless of the subject matter. It should push you, it should challenge you, it should give you sleepless nights. I think as artists, you need to push your boundaries. You need to try something new that you haven't done before. So that's the endeavor. You try and do that with whatever work. But this has, yes, it's been a challenge, but it's been a challenge that I really enjoyed doing.
Any particular takeaway from this for Abhishek Bachchan, the actor?
Yeah, don't ever put on weight for a film again. Trust me, at my age, it gets very difficult to lose it after a while. But no, I think it reassures you as actors that there's a little bit of space for everybody out there. And what I'd like to thank Shujit Da for is, and I hope you all can find some sort of parallel in your own life. You know, we're all stuck in the rut of life. We're doing what we're doing. We're enjoying it. Some of us have got a corporate job. Some of us are artists. Some of us do whatever we do. And life dictates to you what you should be doing and how you should be doing it. What's nice about working with Shujit Da and doing a film like this is once in a while you can just stop and say, hey, no, I can do something different and maybe I should try something different. And when that works out for you, there's nothing more rewarding. So I think the greatest takeaway is to have, as he says, to be fearless, to keep
Fear-free.
fear-free. Yeah, be free of fear and go out there, try something different. Yes, we're here. We want to do the song and dance routine. I love that. I've grown up watching that. I love Indian films. I love what we stand for. But once in a while, it's nice to take a slight detour, take the scenic route, and try something different.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. Give it